Welcome to our daily custom room matches. This is the day 8 and match number 2. The map is Sanhok, and joining us in the match 2 is 67 players and 19 teams. So Sanhok, as usual, it's a pretty small map, so we'll be seeing a lot of gunfights, and a less amount of players in this match might help me actually to get through all the fights. So let's see where the match goes and who wins the match. So let's get the aerial view of the players in the lobby, and we can see, as usual, the barn is full of players, and I can see some players are already throwing some apples around. They are kind of having some fun around here, and the match will be starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's go. Let's see the plane path here. So it's decent plane path from Camp Alpha to Lakavi. So it's kind of dividing the map in two equal halves. So we'll be seeing a lot of players in the northern and the southern part here. We won't be seeing the I mean, most of the players in the southern part, like we saw in the previous Sanhok matches in custom rooms. And as usual, I think team number 25, Team the Kings, will be landing in Paradise Resort. And I can see some players have already landed, like team number 6, I think they are going for Nakam or Sami there. And team number 2 are going for Hatin. I can see team number 25 got accompanied by three squads. I think team number 25 have three teams, I mean 25, and team number 17 is also there. I can see them, but I don't think they are going Paradise. I think they are going somewhere else. And also there is team number 7 here, so three squads we'll be seeing near Paradise. I think team number 15, which is team 8G, is not in the Paradise. Team number 7 have only 3 players. This team name is Team Barut, and we can see, I mean, no, this is not Team Barut. I think this is Team TS Esports. I think so. We have team number 25, Team the Kings. I don't think they have found themselves some decent loot. I can see King Roku with 2 S12Ks, King Proxy with 2 M16s. I see King RDX was there. He had a Vector, but never mind. King Proxy found himself a barrel. And I can see team number 7 players are kind of going on the high ridge there, and also there is a player looting the houses just beside the main building. And I think King Rocco have spotted Immortal King. He was quite out in the open, so I think he will be getting killed, or maybe some tags, because he is also in the cover. I don't think players of team number 25 can actually spot him in this from this perspective. Yes, Immortal King was tagged by King Rocco. Amazing AKM 3x spray coming right from King Rocco there. We can see some fight also in boot camp, so we'll be checking that in a moment. And Immortal King was tagged, so he will be using some medicines like painkiller. He bought the painkiller so he can be full health. King RDX taking the TPP. He knows about the player in the compound there. 2 players are in that compound. They are also in the ground floor. I think they'll be moving. They should be moving in the upper floor. I can see them camping in the either ends of the compound there, either ends of that house. And I can see some fights going on. Someone knocked out Spy Sahil. I think this fight is going on in Panan between team number 23 and 9. But we'll be checking that in a moment. But till then, we'll be seeing the fight between team number 7. So they are trio players, so they have decided to camp the house. From 3 corners, they will be shooting the players who will be pushing them from 3 different sides. So it's kind of like a camping strategy, but I think it's going to work. And I don't think team number 25 players know about the location. I think they are thinking that they are on the upper floor. But let's see the fight in Penang. It's between team number 9 and 23. And I think number 9 player I can see kind of close to team number 23 there. Also the fight is going on between team number 24, team NXG. NXG round was picked off there by team, I think, Hellstorm. MH11 was only 1 HP, and I think they also knocked out a player of team number 1 there. Team number 18 is there as well. I can see King Proxy made some advancements. He is using some grenades on the upper floor, but that is of no use because they are in the ground floor. It's better for the team to actually hear the footstep first, then take some throwable actions. But I think the players know that they are in the ground floor because I can see King Rocco there, and I think the shots were coming in from King Rocco. He burst out the door. E4 Destro, we knocked Mystic Alpha, knocked out E4 Destro. I wonder where this fight is going on. King RDX, I think they are kind of not pushing right now because they know the players will be camping there, and the fights was going on in Mognai between, I think, Miss Team Mystics and I think Destro team number team error. The fight was going on over there, I think, and I can see some throwable actions coming in from King RDX. I think he throw the Molotov there. Two teams have already been eliminated here. We are now down to 17 teams and 60 alive. They are kind of enclosing in team number 7, and they are also out in the zone, so they have to finish the team number 7 quickly and have to move in the zone. And IGN Fix using some painkillers. It's better to be boosted when the team is kind of near you, so you will be having some advantage. King RDX, I still think that the players are thinking that team number 7 are on the first floor. I wonder when they will find out that they are in the ground floor. I can see King Rocco. I think he is staying on the upper floor trying to spot a player, but they are on the ground floor. Agent Toxic knocked out Spy Sahil. The fight is going on in Penang. One player of team number 9 is knocked out, which is Spy Sahil, a really good player. Flash Star making some rotations from there. I think he will be trying to knock a player of team number 23. Spy Sahil, I think he is, yes, he has taken the cover. I will be hoping to finish off the team in front, but never mind. Flash Star was knocked out and was killed instantly by the players. Only player, I mean, two players of team number 9 are still alive, which is Karakot and Suryavanshi. King Proxy, the fight is going on in between team number 7 and 25. Two players of team number 7, one player was knocked out, another player gets knocked out as well. Last player, Immortal King, was finished off by King Rocco in style, and the players of team number 25 have won the fight against team, I think, TS Esports there, and they will be now moving in the zone. Excellent gameplay coming right from team number 25. Team number 24, I think they will be pushing the players. Team number 18 is there, and I think they know about the players there. I think they eliminated team number 1 who was here. I think, yes, they have eliminated them, and team number 18 is there. Alpha Gary and TCG Rug. I don't think they know about the location of team number 24 who have made the rotation, but now he have heard the footstep of NXG Ron, who is taking the TPP behind the sand sack, I would say. He is standing behind that. I think NXG Ron will be trying to use some throwables here. I think Molotov, he'll be trying to throw some Molotovs there. Maybe he can connect it. Team number 21, he's playing, only one player of team number 21 is alive. I think they will be eliminating him soon. And team number 24, there are players making rotations. I cannot see a lot of players in this southern part this time. Alpha Gary was tagged by NXG Trigger. Amazing M44X spray coming right from NXG Trigger here. TCA will now be spotted by NXT Trigger because he was kind of out in the open. Alpha Gary is also in a low HP here, so DP Mutant and NXG Ron, they will be rushing him. DP Mutant comes in. Alpha Gary was too late to start the fire. DP Mutant gets the knock of Alpha Gary, and he will be finished by NXG Ron. TCR comes here to save his teammate, but NXG Ron has spotted him. NXG Ron, Superman shot coming from NXG Ron here. He just jumped and sprayed at TCA Ruck to death. We can see team number 5 have made their way into the zone. I can see team number 15 on the on the screen there. I think they are kind of close to them. Team number 25 is looting the small compounds here, and they will be moving in the zone. I think they'll be going for the boot camp. It's kind of close to them, and I can also see team number 5 there. So we'll be seeing fight between the Kings and team number 5, which is I think team Baru. So there's already a team in boot camp, team number 24, but I think they have made the rotations. They are on the high ridge of boot camp, the southern ridge, and I think they will be, yes, they have to move in the zone because the zone have started right now. And I can see team number 15 players. I think they shot a player of team number 5 there. Team Kings knows that there are players over there, so I think they will be taking the fight with team HG here. I cannot see SNYT. I think there are some shuffling between the teammates here. HG Revo was knocked out. Team Proxy will be confirming the kill of HG Revo. Now team number 15 are now down to only 3 players here. Hawk Phoenix, amazing spray, knocked out HG Revo there. HG Noni now knows the location of Hawk Phoenix there. HG Bitu trying to spot the player of team number 25 with a Scar 98 with a 4x, and HG Rose is holding the compound. And I don't think players of team number 25 is kind of know that there is a player there. King RDX have made a rotation from the right side of HG Noni, and also there are players of team number 5 there. King Rocco, amazing cover from King Rocco to King RDX there. He knocked out a player of team number 5 and also finished him. Amazing 6x spray coming right from King Rocco. Nice control of AKM 6x as well, because that gun usually have a high recoil, and it's slightly not possible to use scope bigger than 2x on that thing. HG Noni and HG Bit 2 holding the same. I think Hawk Phoenix was being spotted by HG Noni there. He was also knocked out. King RDX is trying to knock someone with his nade here, but he's quite far away from them, so I don't think the nade will be connecting unless he jumps and nade there. But I think the players of team number 15 are getting tagged from King Rocco, who is in the far left side of team number 15, and King Rocco is using some smoke to kind of fall back from this position, because team number 15 knows the location of King Rocco here. And let's see, team number 5 have decided not to take the fight, and they have decided to move in the zone. So the fight, I think, between team number 25 and 15 is still going on. HGB2 was spotted by King Rocco. Amazing spray by King Rocco, knocked out HGB2 there. Noni is the only player standing alive. I think Rules is also there. Yes, Rules, but never mind. Rules was also knocked out by King RDX there. Noni is the only player standing still for Team HG here, but I think he will be getting eliminated soon. King RDX finished HG Rules, and I think he will be killing the last player. But on the other hand, they are team fighting. Amazing drop shot by King Rocco, finished off HG Noni. Team number 15 has been eliminated, Team HG, by Team Kings, and Team Kings will have to move in the zone soon, because they won't be taking some zone damage there. PDX Sayyad knocked out, I think, OMN X team there. PDX Ash, amazing cover to his teammates. He finished off 2 players there. I mean, 2 or 1 players. 1 player is already knocked out, which is OMX King, and I can see another squad, which is team number 22, Team Dot, is kind of behind, but I think they spotted the player of team number 2. Team number 2 got sandwiched and third partied as well. Team number 22 have finished off the last player of team number 2, and they will be holding the compound near Penang there. Team number 25 have already prone down. I think they have heard the gunshots, so they have decided to prone and then shoot the players. Vansh is making some advancements. I can see PDX, Ash, and Faraz and Sayyad, 3 trio players of team number 19. I think they know that team number 22 is there, and I also think that one of the player, which is Dot Naval OP, he knows about the location. I mean, he knows that there is a team on the ridge there, so I think he is looking back on the ridge for his team, so that they don't get backstabbed. Dot Naval OP, I think he spotted PDX Ash there. Let's see from Dot Neville OP perspective here. Let's see what he is seeing. He is seeing in kind of like a different direction where team number 19 players are, but I think he will be spotting them soon if team number 19 makes some rotations or movement there. King Proxy, I think the fight is going on between team number 25, the Team Kings and Team Barud here. One player of team number 5 is knocked out, Vansh is out in the open. I think King RDX have not spotted him yet, and I think Vansh was in the down range, so he was kind of not in an open position there. Ronak and Vansh in the same area. Ronak is thrown down. King RDX was knocked out by Ronak there. He was in the grass there. I don't think King RDX spotted him. He was kind of late to spot him as well. Another player of team number 5 is far back from the players there. Ronak with the M43 spray knocked out King Rocco. King Proxy, I think he is the only player alive for his team. Let's see what King Proxy does right now. King Proxy, amazing nade, knocked out not Rishit, and finished off not Rishit there, and he killed. He knocked out Ronak. Vansh is the only player alive for his team. He is getting the third party tag from the other team. Dot the Gopi finished off team number 5, and they kind of helped team number 5 to in that fight there. And team number 19 have made some rotations. Team number 25 have revived the players, and they will be healing and then moving in the zone. PDX Ash and Team PDX have made the rotations from the far left side, and I think they already lost a player, which is PDX Syed. Team number 21 is also here near cave. They are rotating near cave. Where are they? Yes, they are near cave and they are rotating, and they have to cross the bridge, and I think they will be fighting with the team in Camp Charlie there. I think it was team number 3. Team number 14 have a BRDM, and team number 24 is really close to them. I think we'll be seeing some fights here. Unique Zeus, I think he is now spotted by NXG Ron. Spray coming in from NXG Ron, tagged and Unique Zeus there, but he took the cover, but I don't think why he came out of the cover again. 2-3 players are there. I think one player is also getting knocked out. I think he's really low HP, which is Unique Freak. I think he is also knocked out. Unique Rage was also knocked out by Hellstorm there. Only player is alive is Scream God OP, but he was also killed. Team number 24 versus team number 11 there. Team number 11 lost the fight. Team Unique. Team number 3, I think they have spotted the player of team number 21, which is Team Clown. I think it's Team Error 404. PDX have made his way across the river, and I think he knows about the player who is also in the far direction across the river. King Proxy was getting tagged by PDX Ash there. He got some tag. He is half health, and King Rocco is out in the zone. I think they are also getting third party by team number 22, who is also there. Team number 25 is in kind of like a sandwich situation. Todd Dugopi spray was coming in from behind to PDX Ash. I think team number 21 player was shooting PDX Ash there. King Rocco is in the water. He spotted a dot player there. He finished off. He is in the water, and also he is trying to kill some players and get himself some cover and move in the zone, but never mind. King Rocco was killed there, and team number 22 was out in the zone as well. I think they will be taking some zone damage, and I think if they have some meds, they will be moving in the zone now. Team number 21, 3 players are here. PDX Ash, I think he was killed. Team number 3 have made their way in the zone. We have HG SNYD and HG Divyendu. I think they are playing in another team for now, and team number 21 are also the players are also in a really low HP, so I think they will be healing up right now. Let's see. Team number 24 have got the BRDM of team number 11 there. It's better to use the BRDM so they can make themselves some covers in the end zone if it is out in this open. Agent Toxic is using his last first aid kit, and he is also in the out of the zone, so he have to move in the zone quickly so that he won't die out in the zone. I think team number 24 have not spotted Agent Toxic there. HGSNYT knocked out CT Send here. There was plays coming in from Crazy Soul. HGSNYT have took the cover and he will be healing. And Clown OP was, I think, in a vehicle there. Now only one player is alive of team number 21, which is Crazy Soul, and he will be moving in the zone, and he will be making his way into the zone from through Camp Charlie here. Let's see, can Crazy Soul survive for long, or he will be getting eliminated by team number 3. We have team number 8. They have kind of the zone advantage. They are spraying at team number 24, which is down the ridge. There was plays coming back from team number 24. I think team number 23 player, the only solo player, which is I think Agent Toxic, is behind team number 24 players. So if he waits for the knock of team number 24 players, like if 2 or 3 players of team number 24 gets knocked out, he can give the team some disadvantage by doing the third party from behind. He can finish 2 players there. He is pulling a nade. I think he is trying to kill some players of team number 24 there. Hellstorm was kind of open, amazing spray from SR Kingsman. He knocked out Hellstorm there. 3 players of team number 24 are still alive. I think team number 3. Okay, now they know about the location of Crazy Soul. Crazy Soul knocked out HG Divyandu, and SNYT is pushing Crazy Soul right now. He will be getting covered from behind by the third player of his team. Crazy Soul gets eliminated. Team number 1 has been eliminated in the top 5 position here, and Team HG knows that there is a team up on the ridge. I think Agent Toxic, I think he did the third party. He killed 2 players here. He was already in a 4 kills, so I think he killed 2 players, and I think he is now looting them. Team number 24 now in a really critical situation here. They are only down to 1 player. SNYT knocked out and killed Cyber Ash. Team number 8 also now down to only 3 players, so we will be seeing some team number 8 versus 3 action coming right from, I think, what is this place? I think near Camp Charlie or something. They are using some throwable, some random nade coming in, but meanwhile NXG Ron killed Agent Toxic there, the solo player, and NXG Ron have to move in the zone. Also he have to cross the road, so he is kind of in a very disadvantaged position here. HGSNYT knocked out Kingsman YT. HGSNYT is now pushing the NXG Ron finished Kingsman YT. I think he stole the kill of HGSNYT there. HGSNYT also knocked out Mr. Abir. SR Samudra knocked out HGSNYT and he finished him instantly there. And 1 player of team number 20, I mean team number 3, 1 player of team number 8 and 1 player of team number 24 and 2 players of team number 3. So it's a 1v1v2 situation right now formed in Sandhawk map right now, and I can see some advantage for team number 3 because there are 2 players. NXG Ron, amazing spray, killed SR Samudro there. Now it's a 1v2 situation. Can NXG Ron win this fight of 1v2? I think we have spotted a player. I think HG Divyandu is kind of making an angle. Yes, he was spotted by NXG Ron. The NXG Ron, amazing spray, knocked out HG Divyandu there. It's a 1v1 situation between team number 3 and team number 24. NXG Ron versus Aries AKTR. Airy here, but he will be reviving his player. It's a better strategy because it's better to revive the player instead of taking the 1v1 because it's a 50-50% chance of who will be winning this. NXG Ron knocked out AKTR Airy here and he will be finishing him off as well. Now NXG Ron have made himself a 1v1 situation. Team number 24 player versus team number 3 HG Divyandu. It's a 1v1 situation. I think HG Divyandu have to move in the zone. NXG Ron has the zone advantage, so Divyandu have to move in the zone right now. He is also using some nades to kill NXG Ron there, but NXG Ron has a good cover of the tree and also the down ridge. Players are, it's now the matter of who spot who first. if HG Divendu spot NXG Ron, because both the players are prone down, so it's now all depend on who spot the player first. I think HG Divendu can be spotted there. I kind of saw his backpack there, a little bit of his backpack was exposed, but he have to now move in the zone, so I think he will be exposing himself now. And Xeron, yes, he have now spotted HG Divendu there, and Xeron wins the match for his team. Team number 24 OP, Team NXG have won the match. Winner chicken dinner for Team NXG. Amazing gameplay from team number 3, which is Team HG, I think. Thanks for watching the video, and stay tuned for the match 1, and hope you guys enjoy the video. Please drop a like, share, and also don't forget to subscribe.